Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I just want to remind you that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. Today, I am going to be giving you some tips that you can use to make sure you always look good in pictures. I am not someone who is particularly photogenic. I'm just not. I don't know why. I'm just not. So I had to figure out how I could make myself look a little bit better when I took pictures, especially being on social media, being on Instagram. I had to learn a few things, you know. So I'm gonna give you my top 7 tips for how to always look good in a picture. So let's jump in. My first tip for when you are taking a picture either by yourself or in a group is to stand on your toes. Obviously when you do this, you're gonna get a little bit taller, which is great if you're short like I am. I'm 5'4". Standing on your toes in pictures will also lean out the rest of your body. And if you notice, it will give your calf muscles definition, especially if you work out a lot and you have really, really defined calf muscles. They're gonna pop. They're just gonna pop it all over the place. So it's a double whammy. It's triple whammy. Triple whammy. You get taller, you get leaner, popping calf muscles. Boom. My second tip is to try separating your legs. And I don't mean like just have your legs like wide open. Try putting one foot in front of the other, almost like you're walking or like you're about to start walking, because this is going to do a few things. It's going to give your picture some motion and create the illusion that you're moving, and it's also going to define your figure because you'll see it'll be two legs instead of like when you have your legs straight together, it's just like one, unit. When you separate your legs, it defines your legs. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. When I like to put these two together, so the standing on your toes and separating your legs, I like to just use those in conjunction with each other, but I always stand on my toes because I'm short. So I always do that one. My third tip is to do something. We've all taken those pictures where we're just standing straight to the camera and we just stand there and we smile. Try adding an action, like you're about to, put your hair behind your ear, or like you're about to wave to someone. Add some action to the picture or to your pose, and it will make the picture more dynamic. So it doesn't look like you're just standing there waiting for someone to take the picture, even though you're just standing there waiting for someone to take a picture, but it won't look like that. That's the key. My fourth tip is to use angles. Again, when you're standing straight to the camera, it can get a little flat, be a little one-dimensional. But if you angle your body, it adds an interesting layer to the picture. So personally, I love to do like a 45-degree angle, have the camera in front, 45-degree angle on, either side, separate my legs, go up on my toes, boom, snap it, put it on in. My fifth tip is to have a goal for your picture. When you decide, before you take the picture, okay, in this picture, I want to look taller. In this picture, I want to look a little bit slimmer. When you have a goal in mind before you actually take the picture, you have a better idea. You have a better idea of what you actually need to do in order to meet that goal. So if you want to look a little bit slimmer, try angling more towards the camera. If you want to look taller, go up on your toes and then have the person who's taking the picture go down. So that way you look taller because the camera is lower than you are. So have a goal, basically. My sixth tip, which I would actually say is the most important tip out of all of these, and that is to find the light. Okay? Yes, I'm going to take it to America's Next Top Model, honey. You need to find the light. lighting can make or break a picture. It doesn't matter if you're doing angles, if your face is beat, it does not matter if we can't see it. So make sure that you have good lighting. I love natural lighting. Natural lighting is universally good for pictures. You don't want to stand in direct sunlight. You don't want to do that. Try and find a shady spot. Find the shade. Something not too, you don't want it to be too dark, but you don't want to be in direct sunlight either. So you want to make sure you find a nice lighting spot. If you don't have natural lighting, try and find lighting that isn't too yellow, because that can sometimes make you look like a carrot, and that's not the look we're going for, unless, you know, that's the look you're going for. My seventh and final tip is to make little changes when you're taking pictures. So first of all, don't just take one picture, take multiple pictures, but as the pictures are being taken, do different things. So you don't want to just take 10 pictures of you just doing the same thing. Put your chin down a little bit, put your chin up a little bit, you know, move your arms, move your legs, switch sides. Give yourself options, so that way when you go into your gallery and you're looking at which picture to post, you're not just looking at, you know, 20 of the same picture and like, dang, I don't like any of these because they're all the same. Well, you guys, that is all for this video. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Happy Tip Tuesday. I hope these tips were helpful to you. If they were, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. I know I just posted a thank you video, okay? I'm aware, but I just want to say again, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It's truly amazing. I love you so much. Thank you so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you missed my last video for Tip Tuesday, I will go ahead and put it here so you can watch that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on my face and hit the big red button that says subscribe, or hit the big red button below this video. Bye guys.